Well, I hate to say this, but I don't think my neighbor is going to be able to keep this dog. He just left 10 minutes ago, and this dog is over there going crazy. It's been quiet the past few days, but that's because I found out, he's been dropping the dog off downstairs with a neighbor who's been willing to keep it, but she's either not home or not willing to take the dog today, and so oh, it's only 6 o'clock in the morning. This is going to be a long day. That poor door. Oh boy. Ten years of living in this peaceful paradise, I don't once recall ever saying to myself, the one thing that's missing around here is a dog whining, barking, howling, and scratching at the door across the hall from me. Oh boy. There's a reason we have a no dog rule in this building. And this guy, I guess he's trying to find some way around that. He's just got to have a dog. Well, at whose expense? Oh God, it's like dragging your nails on a freaking chalkboard.